Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to do the lobster quest in Fish step by step. First, accept the quest at Fish Harbor by talking to the pier NPC, then equip a baited trap and head to rocky tide pools. Look for lobster silhouettes near seaweed and use the trap when tides are low. Gather 3 lobsters, watch your stamina, and return to the pier NPC to turn it in for rewards and a small reputation boost. Before you head out, get your gear organized so you won't waste time. Grab a baited lobster trap plus a spare, pack stamina potions and snacks, and make sure your inventory has room. Check tide timings in the map corner and mark rocky shorelines where lobsters spawn. If the quest requires a specific item, confirm it in the log. Being prepared keeps the run quick, calm, and more enjoyable for repeat attempts. Tide timing and stealth are your best friends on the lobster quest. Aim for low tide to reach shallow pools, move slowly to avoid startling creatures, and deploy traps where lobsters hide under rocks. If one pool is busy, rotate between 2 or 3 nearby spots to let spawns reset. Keep an eye on stamina and inventory, and use quick hops back to the pier to bank lobsters so nothing gets lost to a sudden wave or enemy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.